After kung ma-realize na gano'n yung mga pinagsasabi mo sa akin, sabi ko, okey lang naman, nage-gets ko yung point na you're concerned about my health, that you don't want me na mag-stay up late, 'di ba? Tapos pinu-push ako matulog. I get the point, so I pause and listen. But all of a sudden, why are you claiming or saying those words like evil, devious, devil, and all, na at the end of the day daw makikita mo kung sino talaga yung kampon daw ng demonyo. Ah, minsan nakakatakot na you're just, exerting effort or just wasting your time talking to someone or expressing your feelings, or wasting your time actually spending your time with the person who is not normal. Tapos ikaw pa yung i-accuse na tawag dito, daw, psycho. Really? I never realized praising praising evil or demons, pero you're accusing me one na hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Nakakatakot ka. Well, kaya ba namumutawi yung puro asin-asin sa paligid? Nakakatakot Tapos, really, ganun, di ko talaga maintindihan kung paano nangyari yun. Ako, I am supporting my family, supporting my mother, 'di ba? Parang hindi ko lang maintindihan yung point na ganun. Ako halos nagkakasakit ako kasi nga dinadadrain ako, na-exhaust ako para nagkaka-overthink. Pero yung never ko naisip na pag-iisipan mo ko na kumakapit ako sa demonyo. Why? Nakakatakot ka. Ako, wala akong ibang, di ba, no, I don't want to explain myself to you. I do have own relationship with the Lord, di ba? Pero, hindi ako kagaya mo na napaka-ipokrito mo, na simba ka ng simba, pagkatas ganyan lang pala yung isip mo sa kapwa mo, di ba? Parang, nakakatakot. Parang ayoko na. Talaga ba? Out of this world, out of the blue, yung iisipin mo ng ganyan. Nakakatakot yan. Tapos, ako yung psycho. Well, I realized that you're making me question my sanity. And you're questioning my intuition and gut feeling. And now you want me to question my faith, diba? And all the blessings that I'm receiving right now, you're claiming that it's not from God, that it's from demons, devil, and then the demon is in favor of me. That's why you're feeling something heavy or bad spirit. Tapos iniisip mo, ganito, ganyan. They are favoring me, they are helping me. Kaya hindi ka matahimik. It's not a demon or not a bad spirit, but it's your conscience who is attacking you already. Try to reflect, okay? Try to take a look at yourself, 'di ba? What's missing in your life? What really is missing, 'di ba? Kung ano talaga yung nangyayari. Alam mo, feeling ko, akala ko nung una, because of all the things that is happening to me, I need psychiatrist. Pero mas lalo ako masisiraan ng ulo kapag ganyan pang klaseng pananaw yung makakausap ko. Sorry, I'm done. And I don't want na ako yung mag-suffer dun sa mga bad manifestations mo against me. Kasi nangyari na yun yung manifestations mo. And I really don't want to blame everything na baka manifestations mo lang yun. It's a fate, 'di ba? Pero if I'm going to continue talking to you, um, ma-attract ko lang yung mga negativity and no way, okay? No way. Bye.